Learn how to build powerful web APIs using Python and FastAPI framework. FastAPI is a modern, high-performance web framework for building APIs with Python, combining speed and ease of use. Let's start by understanding what FastAPI is and why it's become so popular. FastAPI is a modern web framework specifically designed for building APIs with Python in a fast and efficient way. It's built on top of Starlet for the web parts and Pydantic for data validation, combining their strengths. One of its best features is automatic interactive API documentation using Swagger UI, making testing incredibly easy. FastAPI's key features include automatic documentation, Python type hints for validation, lightning-fast performance, and a gentle learning curve. Now let's see how to create your first FastAPI application with minimal code. First, we import FastAPI from the FastAPI module to get started. Then we create an instance of the FastAPI class, which will be our main application object. We define a route using a decorator, create a function to handle requests, and return a dictionary that FastAPI automatically converts to JSON. FastAPI uses Python type hints to automatically validate and convert data. By adding type hints like int, FastAPI automatically validates that the path parameter is an integer and converts it for you. If a user sends an invalid type, like a string instead of an integer, FastAPI automatically returns a helpful error message. Pydantic models make it easy to define and validate complex request bodies. We define a Pydantic model by inheriting from base model and specifying fields with type hints and optional default values. We can use this model in a post endpoint to automatically validate incoming JSON data. FastAPI will parse the request body, validate it against our model, and pass it as a Python object. FastAPI has excellent support for asynchronous programming, making it incredibly fast. Simply add async and await keywords to create asynchronous endpoints that can handle thousands of concurrent requests efficiently. FastAPI's async support makes it one of the fastest Python frameworks available, often matching Node, JS and Go in performance. One of FastAPI's most loved features is its automatic interactive documentation. FastAPI automatically generates interactive documentation at /docs, where you can test all your endpoints directly in the browser. You get 2 documentation interfaces for free: Swagger UI @/docs and Redoc @/redoc, both fully interactive. FastAPI has a powerful dependency injection system for sharing logic across endpoints. You can create dependency functions that FastAPI will automatically call and inject into your endpoints when needed. Use the depends function to tell FastAPI to inject the result of your dependency function into the endpoint. Let's recap what makes FastAPI such a powerful choice for building APIs. FastAPI combines blazing speed, ease of use, and leverages modern Python features like type hints and async programming. Automatic validation and interactive documentation save hours of development time and reduce bugs. It's perfect for microservices, machine learning APIs, and any back-end development where performance matters. FastAPI has an active community and excellent documentation, making it easy to learn and get help when needed.